Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys like this look and are living for this highlight and these EDC Coachella rave vibes, then just stick around with the Anastasia dip brow and dark brown. And then on the back of this, I kind of just rub off. Usually for my brows, I just have to do one dip. So I'll just brush them out. And after that, Hydro Boost. I really love that product. I tried it out and it's kind of like a lip conditioner. So it's really good. And then we're gonna put a little bit of the Pixie Rose Tonic. And like I mentioned to you guys in the other videos, I bought it. It smells really good. It smells like roses. I like to just kind of pat it into my skin. And like I mentioned to you guys, it I did have eczema here, so it ended up helping it out. And so just kind of like pat around. For primer, I'm gonna be using the Hangover Replenishing Face Primer. It's really good. I just wish that it smelled like coconut since it has coconut in it, but I really like it. So yeah, the Rose Tonic, it feels really nice on your skin since I have a little bit more dry skin. So a lot of the things that I always buy, I try to get everything that moisturizes for my skin. This one is really nice because like right away, like right now, I already feel, you know, like the stickiness, which is what you really want. I think what I want to do is like yellow, a little bit of yellow. So kind of just put it with my finger. So the brush that I'm gonna use, it's one of the Morphe ones, but it's just, you know, like a regular blending brush. And my favorite palette is this one that I use. It is the MAC Warm Neutrals palette. This shade right here. Always tap off, you know, the excess. And at first, I'm just gonna be putting some on. You just really want to blend and work it in. For this look, it's one that's like on my Instagram. I have a dry patch right there. I don't know if it's the weather or, you know, after the pregnancy, what it is, but my skin has been drying lately. Like bad. Before, like these, you know, my face was red, but the dry patches like that, I didn't have them. So I don't know what it is exactly. I don't know. I really don't. So I'm just gonna do this. It's the 217 and I'm gonna use this color right above it. Placing it there, as you guys can see. And it is such a pretty color. The Sigma, the blending, the E36, it looks like this. I'll get that. I'll swirl a little bit of that color, tap it off, and like I've told you guys, I raise my eyebrows and I just kind of go along, you know, that line, like even above the crease. And even though, you know, like right now it looks kind of funny, but I do that because it kind of goes right in between there. And then I'll get the Morphe one again. And I'll blend. Going to be using the NYX, it's the 604 Milk, just the regular, you know, white. Let's see, how do we want to do this? I think I'm just gonna pull my eye a little bit, place some there, And I'm gonna place some on the back of my hand. And from there, I'm just gonna cut the crease. We're just gonna go in and cut it. So if I'm looking right here, it's just because I have my mirror. So I'll place you guys a little bit better. And the brush I'm using, again, it's one of the AOA brushes. It's the E122. So it's just, you know, I haven't done a cut crease in a while. So please bear with me, you know. So we're just gonna cut it. Yeah, I think we'll leave it like that and kind of just, you know, do that. So as you guys can see, open, and you see how you can still see there. So I'm gonna cut the crease on this other eye and I'll be right back. So I'm gonna be using the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, this yellow shade. And we're just literally gonna pack that all over the lid. So with that one, you do want to pack it on. So one time, we're just gonna go over and just kind of make sure there's no creases and work our way from inner to outer. Now just wipies to take some off, just, you know, the Pampers. And cut right here. I always cut a little bit under and I just make that line. You see how much cleaner it looks. The MAC 170. It's like this. Pro Longwear Nourishing Waterproof Foundation, if you guys want to know the full name. I am in the color NC20. Studio Fix Smooth Wear Concealer and the color NW24. So I know I had mentioned to you guys that I usually don't go like down the bridge of my nose and everything, just because for, you know, like longer wear and stuff, it I've noticed that it kind of comes off. But for the sake of the video, I will be, you know, contouring my beauty blender and with a smaller, you know, brush. But for here, I always like blending it out with this brush. I'm just gonna apply a little bit of the MAC Fix Plus. Yes, I am a huge MAC girl. This is in the color Deep 50. So one, like I've mentioned before in my other videos, I don't think that this is a dark enough shade for a lot of people, but for a contour shade for myself, I do like it. AOA, it's the E103, and I'm just going to be blending it. We're gonna go back to our trusty MAC brush, Too Faced. So from here, I'll just kind of put a little bit. This one, even though it does say that it's translucent, but it does come out a little bit colored. No creases. And we're just gonna set that. Let me know if you guys want, you know, like a haul of my makeup, or if you guys want, you know, like certain makeup routines up by Benefit. So I'll just grab it straight from here and I'll just do that, because you put it on and then after you put on your highlight, it really like locks it in. And that's also what happens with the contour. You use it, but it's like that's your skin. And I know so many people love these. I love the black one, and like I've, you know, mentioned before, I've had to buy, you know, it time and time again. So we're just going to use the yellow one today, and we might apply some glitter after. So I'm gonna look down again because it's my mirror. So as you guys can see, I still kind of messed it up there, but it's okay. Okay, so I just quickly popped on my lashes, and like I said, they are the Pearl Lashes in the the style Dream. Cat, it is Golden Pumpkin. What do you guys think so far? And I love this one. With this one, your brows do not budge, and I think it's about $3 or $4 at mine at Ulta. And for the glue that I use for my lashes, my holy grail that I will always use is the House of Lashes. And the brush that I used, I think it's like a lip brush, or maybe it is an eyeliner brush. It's the Morphe M443, and it looks like this. So oh, I used the NYX glitter primer. At first I wasn't a big fan of this, but I've noticed that putting it behind my hand and kind of, you know, getting a little bit out of time, rubbing, you know, the excess off, and this brush, I mean, right now it, you know, it does the trick. And yeah, it is a little bit more glitter, but it works nice. If not, I will get another glitter liner and I'll, you know, pop it into here or into the cap, and, you know, I'll just do that. So I mean, that's another trick too that I've done, which it works great. So giving me like Coachella vibes kind of, you know, like the liner and everything, the glitter. What do you guys think? Comment down below if you guys like this look. I love it, and I know I messed up, but it's okay. We all mess up at times. And the lashes, that's why lashes are a girl's best friend, because sometimes you mess up a little bit and they will cover it right up. But these lashes, I love. If you guys recreate this look, you guys should tag me either, you know, on Instagram, Ozelle Beauty, or Facebook, you know, if you guys want to tag me. And like I said, sorry about the hair, it's kind of a mess, but I have my treatment in and it's like kind of hard here. You can see some conditioner on parts of it, like here. So like I said, if you guys like this video, then hit that like, that subscribe button, and stay tuned for the next video. And like I said, leave down comments of what you guys would like to see next.